on, you can see that behind me. Let's take a look at the computer. You can see we have a severe thunderstorm watch. Goes until 8 o'clock tonight for most of the eastern plains. And yes, it does include the greater metro area. We also have at this hour tornado warning until 3:30 for Arapahoe, Elbert counties. Deer Trail should be on the lookout for that. Also, a severe thunderstorm watch continues until 8 o'clock in that same area. And we have the tornado warning. Just saw a severe thunderstorm go up on to the north near Fort Collins. That goes until 3:30 for Larimer and Weld County. Also have another one for Adams, Boulder, Denver, Jefferson for the cities of Denver, and also at Thornton and Lakewood. And that's a lot of activity over the eastern plains. Have a severe thunderstorm warning and thunderstorm watch and warning. That goes until 3:30 on Monday for Pueblo, cities of Beulah and Beulah Valley. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning until 3:45 for Las Animas. Severe thunderstorm watch continues over the eastern plains, as we have said. You can see this moisture flow pushing up, and what we are also seeing is down to the southwest. We have a storm that is just kind of rotating and pumping lots of moisture. It is right about here. You can see that rotation bringing lots of moisture right on up into Colorado, and as it does that, we continue to see these severe thunderstorm watches and warnings out. Once again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for that pink shaded area you see out on the eastern plains for all of eastern Colorado. That includes the greater metro area. Tornado warning is also in effect at 3:30 for Arapahoe and Elbert counties. So this is something that we're going to have to watch all afternoon. And of course, here at the CBS 4, we will keep you informed, and we will keep on top of these thunderstorm warnings, which are popping up one right after another, along with the tornado warnings. This is a pretty active afternoon, and this will go to 6, 7, 8 o'clock tonight. The watch goes until 8 o'clock, and I think those storm warnings within that watch will continue as well, popping up just across the eastern plains. So keep it on CBS 4 all afternoon long and right into the 5 and 6 o'clock newscast, and we'll have all the latest information for you.
Okay guys, here comes the hail. It's pea-sized hail right now. Oh, it's coming fast. Okay, here it comes, Yorgie. Here comes the hail. Oh shit. No. Excuse my French. Stay, Yorgie. Stay. It's coming. Look out, baby. It's okay, Yorgie. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. It's growing. Oh my god. It's okay, Yorgie. My dog is scared. It's okay. Okay, it's gonna get bigger, you guys. Pray to God the roof does not freaking cave in. Because I'm on the top floor. Oh my god. Oh shoot. I feel so bad for all those cars, you guys. I do not own a car. And look at all those people. My son is on the bus. It's 3 o'clock. Oh my God, it's getting bigger. Oh shoot. Oh my God, it's growing, guys. Oh crap, here it comes. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got my stuff covered up with a box, thank God. Oh my God, that guy shouldn't be driving this. Kids are just now getting out of school. Oh my God. It's okay, Yorkie. It's okay, honey. This is nothing new in Colorado, you guys. We are so used to this. We get this every year. Holy crap. Oh, that's like hitting the siding really bad. I'm gonna close this. Let me see if I can see it out the door. Hold on. No, Yorkie, back. Stay. Stay. Oh my God. Woo! Welcome to Colorado. Would you like to stay a while? Don't worry, it'll probably be sunny later this afternoon. Oh my God. I feel really bad for all the destruction amongst those cars. Got a little bit of a flash flood. Looks like it just snowed out there. Okay, bring on the funnel clouds. That's off to the west. Okay, it sounds like it's kind of dying down, but I'm not sure. What a mess. I think the hail is starting to stop, you guys. It's now pea size. It got up to golf ball sized. Thank God my son is on the RTD bus right now, heading home from school. But he has to walk through all of this, so hopefully by the time he gets here in an hour, it'll all be gone. He won't get too wet. Okay, so now it's going over to the east, which would be Arapahoe County. That's the area that I grew up in Colorado.